IELTS Bro Speaking Forecast. Speaking topic, weather. IELTS test forecast for the second and third quarters of 2023. Applicable to paper test and computer test. Speaking Part 1 questions. 1. What's the weather like where you live? 2. Do you prefer cold or hot weather? 3. Do you prefer dry or wet weather? 4. Are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast? When and how often? 5. What do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years? 6. Would you like to visit other cities that have different climates from where you live?
Model answers and vocabulary. 1. What's the weather like where you live?
Well, I live in a tropical region, so the weather here is generally warm and sunny throughout the year. However, we do experience short winter periods where the temperature drops slightly, and our summers can get quite hot and humid.
2. Do you prefer cold or hot weather?
Personally, I prefer cold weather. I find it delightful to bundle up in beautiful clothes, layering cozy sweaters and scarves. The crisp air and the chance to see my breath in the cold mornings just add to the charm for me.
3. Do you prefer dry or wet weather?
I definitely prefer dry weather over wet weather. There's something about being caught in rain that I absolutely dislike. I prefer when it's dry and sunny, allowing me to go about my day without the inconvenience of carrying an umbrella or getting wet.
4. Are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast? When and how often?
Yes, I am in the habit of checking the weather forecast every day. Usually, I check it after the evening news to get an idea of what to expect the next day. It helps me plan my activities and make appropriate clothing choices.
5. What do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years?
In recent years, we have witnessed the effects of climate change through the occurrence of extreme weather conditions. From more frequent and severe storms to intense heat waves and unpredictable rainfall patterns, it's evident that our climate is changing. These changes have had significant impacts on ecosystems, agriculture, and even human health.
6. Would you like to visit other cities that have different climates from where you live?
Absolutely. I would love to visit other cities that have different climates from where I live. I enjoy experiencing new environments and the adventures they bring. Exploring cities with diverse weather patterns would provide a unique perspective on how climate influences people's lives and the natural beauty that each climate has to offer. That's the end of Part 1. Now let's like and subscribe to my channel for the most updated IELTS forecast. Thank you.